Bethar's Garage. In this video, I'll be unboxing the YIHUA soldering station I got off of Amazon. So let's get started. So this was about 40 bucks off of Amazon. It looks like it's digital. It's got a digital screen and it's temp adjustable. Nice instruction manuals on the top. Well, alright, so we have the soldering station itself. Comes with a little pad. Looks like there's a tip already installed, and it comes with 6 extra tips. Comes with some tweezers. Comes with a spool holder. It actually came with a spool of solder wire, 99.3% tin and 0.7% copper. I'm not going to use this. I bought some 60/40. Also comes with some helping hands. This is kind of nice, little feature to have. And it also comes with a desoldering pump. I'm actually surprised it came with all this. I didn't really know when I bought it. I just needed the soldering iron itself. But let's get this thing together and take a look how it looks like. So just a little, I guess, thank you card. Get some operating instructions. So the temperature range is from 90°C to 480°C, or 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 Fahrenheit. It's got an LED display. Feels nice in the hand. Pretty excited about this thing. Looks like you can store your extra tips in here. So you got a good variety of tips that came with it. Some nice fine points for some smaller stuff if you're working on. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and utilize the stock one that came installed for now. So let's put these up. I don't want those to rattle around when I move it. Nice little desoldering pump. Nothing special, but nice that it does come included, because you know, could probably definitely put this to use eventually. This doesn't feel that great in the hand, feels kind of cheap, but I can't complain. It came with it, it was free. I think this is definitely worth the $40. See, came with some tweezers. Some really nice fine point tweezers, as you can see. Definitely put those to use. Okay, so it looks like these little helping hands screw in to the side. They've got one over here and another one on this side. So that's kind of cool. I'm not going to install these for now. Only going to use them or install it when I actually need it. So it looks like the little pad is going to go on the outside. And then you can go ahead and install the screw. It's kind of hard to get access to it. So yeah, and then you can just install the spool that you're going to use, and it just kind of drops into place like that. So overall, a nice little soldering station. I think it's definitely worth the 40 bucks, but time will tell. With the durability, it's got really good reviews on Amazon, so decided I might as well try it out. The only thing I don't like is that the actual cable is very, very short. So take note of that. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. I'll do a review after I use it a few times and see how it holds up and if I like it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks.